Thank you. Hi, let's find the value of x in this equation. Solution. We have 7 raised to power x is equals to 70. Now, when we take the log of both sides, taking the logarithm of both sides, okay, you have log 7 raised to power x is equals to log 70. So we have x log 7 equals to log 70. This rule here is from log p raised to power m equals m log p. When you apply this rule, over here you have x log 7. So divide through by log 7 so that we can have x log 7 divided by log 7. This is same as log 70 divided by log 7. And this can now cancel. We have x remaining. So x is equals to log 70 over log 7. We can further express this as log bracket 7 multiplied by 10 or divided by log 7, which is same as log 7 plus log 10 divided by log 7. And we can further express it as log 7 divided by log 7 plus log 10 over log 7. Good. Remember, this rule here is from when you have log A multiplied by B when with the same base, it will give you log A plus log B. I apply this rule with respect to this log 7 multiplied by 10 to have log 7 plus log 10. Okay, good. So we have x is equal to, here log 7 can cancel log 7. We have 1. So I have 1 plus log 10 divided by log 7. Now let's proceed to apply change of base. Okay, remember we had x equals 1 plus log 10 divided by log 7. Now applying change of base, is when you have log p divided by log n, it will give you log p base m. So let's apply it here to have x is equals to 1 plus log 10 base 7. So this is the final value of x. Okay, so this is the final value of x. Let's proceed to check if when we apply x as 1 plus log 10 base 7, if it will give us 70. Okay, let's proceed now. Given 7 raised to power x as 70, but the value of our x is equals to 1 plus log 7 log 10, 1 plus log 10 base 7. Okay, we are going to substitute this value of x over here. So I will have 7 bracket. Remember, 1 plus log 10 base 7. Will it give us 70? Okay, so let's proceed. 7 raised to power 1 multiplied by 7 raised to power log 10 by 7. Will it give us 70? This rule, I applied it from P raised to power n plus n, same as P raised to power n multiplied by P raised to power n. So from this rule of indices, that is what I have applied here, to have 7 raised to power 1 multiplied by 7 raised to power this log. They have the same base, so you add the powers. See it here. Okay, good. Let's proceed. But 7 raised to power 1 is 7, just like a raised to power 1 is a. Similarly, 7 log 10 base 7, because of this base, okay, is 10. Good. So let's apply it here. We can now have 7 multiplied by 10. Is it equal to 70? Yes. So I can have 70 is equal to 70. Hence, the value of x is equal to 1 plus log 10 base 7. Okay. Remember here, when you apply p raised to power log m base p, because of this base, it will give you what? M. Okay, that is what I have applied to get here as 10. Okay, good. We call it inverse rule of logarithm. Alright, so this is how you can easily solve for the value of x in this nice equation. Please follow this rule step by step. Go through it again. Ask your question. If there is any simple approach to solve this problem, please share it in the comment section so that others can learn. Remember to subscribe if you like what we have done, so that when I upload another one, you will be the first to get notified.